Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for subscribing and returning. I really do appreciate your support. I am Felecia. For those of you who are new here, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure to like, comment and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell for when I post next. Okay? So in today's video, it's going to be a Zara new in unboxing and try on haul. As you know, Zara always have something new in every week. So this I got from the new in spring summer collection. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Starting with this beautiful printed mini shirt dress. As you can see, it's very thin, not heavyweight. It have these buttons coming down in the front here. And what drawn me to it was these frill at the bottom. Yeah. And also it have this band come around to tie in the front, as you will see in the cutaway. And here we have some beads on the ends of it, which is just so cute. This material is like of a linen, lightweight material. And at the end of the sleeve, it have this elastic, which just sit just above your wrist. And also, yes, because it's like a shirt dress, it have this collar detailing on top of it. This is just so gorgeous on. Very spring summer. And as you will see, you can dress this down with a pair of sneakers or dress it up with some nice heels. I just think this dress is just gorgeous and beautiful on. The print is just really lovely. This is this first dress. So okay, let's see what we have next. Up next, we have these two items which bought separately, but I paired them together. So first up, we're going to talk about this simple but practical bodysuit. Very soft to the touch. First thing off that I've noticed. As you can see, some spaghetti straps, frill detailing going wrong at the top. And for this bodysuit, it's like a swimwear kind of thing. So you pull it up all the way from below. Yeah, no buttons or anything, because it's supposed to be seamless. It's a seamless bodysuit. And everything that I got is either in a size small or a size 8. It have like a cottony feel to the material. And as you can see, it have these stripes running down on top of the bodysuit. And then I went ahead and paired it with this buttoned Bermuda short. This is so cute, and the color is really lovely. For my bottoms, I always get them in a size 10 or a medium, and this I got in a medium. Yeah, this is so beautiful. As you can see, there's some pocket detailing at the back, but it's not functional. But what I like about this is these gold buttons coming down on the side, as you can see on each side, but they are functionable. You can unbutton them. And there is a pocket. I just think this is so cute. And with the gold button detailing on it, just make it look so sophisticated. This again, you can dress up or down with a pair of sneakers or heels, and you're good to go. Whether you're going out catching up with the girls or just for casual walk. Yeah, so I think this is so beautiful on. And pairing it with a nice white top, or as you can see, I did put a leather biker jacket on, which kind of just make the look pop a bit more. So yeah, you can dress these up, dress these down. Beautiful. And the fit is just amazing. So up next, we have another gorgeous printed mini dress. Yes, if you don't know, I'm a dress kind of girl. So with this one, what drew me to it was the contrast between the black and the brown. Really spring summer vibe is giving you. And also the printed flowers on top of it. Just stunning. This is of a satiny material, very lightweight, not too thin because you cannot see through, and it have like some frills. And as you can see, it's another long sleeve, but as I say, it's lightweight and it come all the way down, and at the end of it, it have these elastic in the end of the sleeve. Also have an invisible zip at the side to get into, and a button detailing to at the back here. And as you can see, it's a round neck detailing. This dress is just gorgeous. This you can dress up really nicely or dress down also with a pair of sneakers, some heels, or even some thigh-high boots. This is just stunning and the fit and the feel of it, really, really lovely. As you will see in the cutaway. This is this dress. Very lovely. So link to everything that I have in this video will be in the description box below. Price, size, everything will be down in the description box. So make sure to go and check it out. Okay? So up next, we have this beautiful cable knit dress. This color is just gorgeous. We are ready for summer, baby. It look a bit thick, but it's not. It have a bit of weight to it, but this is very lightweight on. It do not feel too heavy, and the material is not too thick. So you can wear it in the summer. As you will see, the cable netting on top of it is just gorgeous. You will see where it sits in the cutaway, not too long. Yeah, this just fit and in all the right places on your body. It's just so cute. A nice summer dress, or you can even dress this up to go out in the evening with a nice pair of heels. Yes, there's not much more you can say to this. You can put a nice blazer on this or a nice jacket, and you just juice this look up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Gorgeous dress, and the color is just stunning. So okay, up next we have this embroidery shirt, printed shirt. This is just gorgeous. It's not white, it's like a beige off-whitey kind of color, and the detailing on top of it is just beautiful. It makes this top stand out so much, and as you can see, it goes all the way down, button here. I think it fit more of a like oversized kind of shirt, so this one was a bit too big for me, I think. But as you will see in the cutaway, I've styled it a few different ways. You can some biker shorts, some jeans, you can put it in, out. You can wear this so many different how. This shirt is just stunning and beautiful and comfy on it. Have like a linen kind of feel to it also. It's just gorgeous. The embroidery detailing just stands out so much on the collar, and it's blue. This I got in a size small. I think small, you can get this in an extra small. I think I would have gotten away with an extra small with this because it fit really big. So if you wanted a bit more smaller, you can size down one for your sizing. So yeah, this is this shirt. Gorgeous, gorgeous shirt. I really love it. So up next we have this beautiful white dress with cutout embroidery detailing on top of it. It's just beautiful. Not too long, not too short. And as you can see, the embroidery on top of it. Very lightweight, another linen cottony feel to it. And it have buttons all the way down, so it's like a shirt dress. The gold and gray button on top of it makes it stands out a bit more, make it not look cheap, if you know what I mean. It's not cheap looking, it's beautiful, the material is lovely. And also on the sleeve it have the gold and gray detailing, marble effects on top of the buttons, as you can see. It is really comfy on. It also have a band come around to tie in the front. What I've noticed for this spring summer this year, it's more embroidery, so that is a theme they're going with. Yeah, I'm not mad at it. It's lovely. And as you know, you put on a nice white dress, you look sophisticated and rich. Just dress this up with a pair of black heels or some nude heels and you're good to go. Even some sandals. So this is this dress. Lovely, lovely dress. So up next we have another white dress with embroidery cutout also. As you can see, the top of it all embroidery. Like I said, that seemed like to be the fashion at the moment. I don't know if you can see. Comes with a nice sweetheart v-neck neckline. Have some buttons here, which is a bit, yeah, they are functional, but you can unbutton them, but there's no need to unbutton them. The sleeves have another design on it, these dots. As you can see, very lightweight, see-through. At the end again, it have this elastic on the sleeve. Yeah, most of them have these. This I think was a bit too big on. It needs to be a bit more fitted. I got this in a size small. I think I would have gotten away with the extra small. But as you know with Zara, their sizes are a bit hit and miss. Sometimes one time it fit, the next time it don't fit. This is this beautiful white dress. It's fit like a kind of a skater kind of look. So yes, this again, a nice pair of black heels or boots, sandals, and you're good to go. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, it can be transitioned to it. But yeah, this is just so cute, honestly. So last but not least, we have this beautiful wrap skirt. It have like an asymmetric kind of look to it. So as you can see, it have here another paisley kind of print. It wrap around and it have this to get into here. Very short. I think this you more wear like a beach cover up, or you can wear it out. Yeah, this is just really beautiful on. As you will see the fit of it, how it look on is really nice. It have like a nice cottony feel to the skirt, and as you see it have this beautiful trim hem. And this skirt, very simple but nice. I paired with the bodysuit because it does look like a swimsuit, like I said. But yeah, this skirt is really nice on, very comfy but short. This I got in a size medium because, like I said, I do get my bottoms in medium because I have to, you know, pay attention to my hips and my back. Yeah. So yes, this is the end of my Zara unboxing try-on spring new and summer haul. I do hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to comment below. Let me know which one was your favorite, which would you rock, and don't forget to subscribe and like, okay? And share with your friends and family. So thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful rest of your day or evening and stay blessed. Lots of love. Bye.